Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in. And in case you're wondering why is it so messy in the background, that's because I've recently moved into a new place and I did not get enough time to organize things. So I'm sorry if you feel the background is not proper. Let's come back to the agenda. Why are we doing this video? Why am I making this video? So the agenda is very clear. Today I'll tell you one exercise that is totally going to change your English learning game. So in case you want to become a really fluent speaker but don't have enough hours to practice, then this is very powerful technique that can be used to improve your communication. So today I'm going to share this 15-minute per day technique that will skyrocket your English fluency. And the technique is known as absorb and express method. And trust me, it really works. So let's do it stage by stage. First stage is absorb. Absorb. So now the drill is you need to pick a short video, any podcast, or a scene from your favorite web series. And the next thing that you're supposed to do is listen to it for 5 minutes straight. But the rule is no subtitles. This is called as active or focused listening. So you have to pay close attention to words, phrases, and pronunciation and try to understand them as much as possible. So, number one, absorb without subtitles. Now that you have absorbed the content, you have to move towards the next stage, that is express. So, now in your own words, talk about what you have heard, what did you find interesting, and what you have learned from it. Remember, this isn't about memorizing, it's about expressing yourself naturally after listening to what you have absorbed. And here's the key, record your voice while you speak. Now, the third stage is reflect. Play back your recording and listen to it very carefully. You can check how was your pronunciation, did you use enough vocabulary to express yourself, and were your sentences clear? And now the next step, that is stage 4, is to jot down. Jot down things that you really did well and things that can be improved. Be honest but kind to yourself. And that's how you can celebrate your progress. So, this method helps you practice listening, improve fluency through speaking, and build awareness through self reflection. Just 15 minutes a day, and you'll start seeing real improvement in English. So, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends who want to speak fluent English too. Comment below if you'll try absorb and express method, and I would love to know your progress. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing, keep improving, and take care.